Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to incorporate AI in PowerPoint. First thing first, you can start either with the content first or with a template design. Open PowerPoint and go to Home tab. Then click plus AI in the ribbon. If you don't see it, just click Add-ins and search for plus AI. When the sidebar opens, choose New Presentation. In the pop-up window, pick Start from Scratch like Content First or Start from a template and select a theme. Now write a prompt, or upload a file, or you can go slide by slide with your text. Adjust options like language, number of slides, and click Generate Outline to review and edit as needed. And when ready, click Generate Slides to create the full deck. Your presentation is generated under a minute, ready for you to edit like a normal PowerPoint. You can also use plus AI to improve existing slides with text rewords, slide generation, or layout changes. Open your slideshow, go to Home, plus AI, then Edit with AI. Select Insert a slide, then enter a slide title and content, then pick a template and layout. When you're ready, click Generate Slide and the new slide appears instantly. By using AI with PowerPoint, you can save time by creating decks in minutes, provide professional designs automatically, lets you stay in control with easy editing, and works directly inside PowerPoint. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.